Is there any special worship to do in the month of Rajab?
Is there any, that's a good question. Because we are in the month of Rajab, ya Ikhwani, you know that. You just called the date, 13th night of Rajab. Is there any special worship in Rajab? There is no special worship in the month of Rajab. Rajab is a sacred month, one of the 4 sacred months. Sacred months are as follows. First, Muharram. Second one is Rajab. Third one, Dhul Qa'dah. Fourth one is Dhul Hijjah. Dhul Qa'dah, Dhul Hijjah, and Muharram, they come after each other, which is in Islamic calendar becomes the 11th, the 12th, and the 1st. But Rajab is number 7. So 3 together and 1 on his own. Sacred months, person who should be more of a ibadah in general. But to specify a specific ibadah, like some people, they make Siyam and Rajab. And the scholars they have made, like Ibn Hajar al-Asqalani, have treatises about this issue. Tabeen al-Ajab fi Siyam Rajab. To show that how the people are wrong in making designated fast in the month of Rajab. Also, there are other people, they think Rajab has got the ascension, 27th of Rajab. They think this is the night of Al-Isra wal-Mi'raj. This is incorrect. And they do special ibadah. There's some people, they make their umrah. If you go to Rajab now in Mecca, you'll find all types of mubtadi'ah, sects which are not upon the sunnah. You'll find so many of the Rafidah. You'll be so many of the Sufis. You'll have so many of the Zaydiyah in Rajab. For them, Rajab is equivalent to Ramadan for Ahl Sunnah. Okay, so new month of Rajab is for those people who are, they're not upon the Sunnah. Nothing in Rajab is special as just a sacred month. So we cannot specify just fast for Ramadan. No, in Rajab. No, it's a sacred month. Ibadah in general, without specifying, Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. But it's not the best of the month. The best of the month is the month of Ramadan. No challenge. And it's not a sacred month, but it's the best of the months.